Welcome to my channel. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to capture a woman's heart effortlessly, you're in the right place. Words have an incredible power. The right ones can make someone feel special, valued, and deeply connected to you. But let's be real, not all words are created equal. Some phrases have a unique way of sparking attraction, building trust, and making a woman feel an emotional pull towards you that she can't quite explain. Think about it. How many times have you said something and felt like it didn't land the way you expected? Or maybe you've struggled to express your feelings in a way that truly resonates. The truth is, when you say the right things at the right moments, you can create an emotional impact that lingers in her mind and heart. And no, this isn't about cheesy pickup lines or manipulation. This is about authentic, heartfelt communication that makes her feel seen, understood, and irresistibly drawn to you. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 powerful phrases that no woman can resist. Phrases that tap into deep emotional triggers and make her feel an undeniable attraction toward you. Whether you're in a new relationship, trying to get closer to someone, or simply want to deepen an existing bond, these words will help you create a meaningful connection that lasts. So, stick around, take notes, and by the end of this video, you'll have a set of powerful tools that can transform your interactions with women. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Esto. Extreme, for more life-changing insights, your support helps us keep bringing you the best content. Now, let's get started. When chosen carefully, words have the power to impact women, but both psychologically, physically. And we're not talking about anything vulgar or forced, but rather words that make her feel special, desired, and unique. This kind of communication is an art that requires sensitivity and attention to detail. For instance, instead of simply saying, "You look nice," you could say, "The way you did your hair today is amazing. It's impossible not to notice you." This phrase does two things. First, it shows that you notice something specific about her, indicating attention to detail. Second, it suggests that she has a noticeable impact on you. Words like these create a vivid image in her mind, reinforcing the fact that you see her in a unique way. Another way to spark desire is by building anticipation. Phrases that hint at something special or mysterious can stir curiosity and set the stage for excitement. For example, saying, "The power of anticipation. I've got something special planned for tonight, and I can't wait to see your reaction." Isn't just intriguing, it also communicates that you value your time together. Above all, it makes her feel like she's about to experience something unique, which is incredibly seductive. Now that you understand the power of words, let's break it down into specific categories, each serving a different purpose. Know which type of phrase to use and when to use it is what separates a regular interaction from a magnetic connection. This type of phrase stirs emotions, the power of curiosity, and creates a sense of excitement. When you say something like, "I've got an incredible surprise for you later," or "I've been thinking of something that's going to bring us even closer," you're going to love it. You're crafting an atmosphere of mystery and enthusiasm. This activates her imagination, and the ante-up naturally builds a strong chemistry between you. Curiosity is a powerful emotion when your hints about something special without revealing everything. She begins to imagine different scenarios, and more often than not, these scenarios are positive and exciting. Women deeply value emotional connection, and when you use words that show vulnerability or genuine admiration, it can significantly strengthen that body bond. You create a bond that's hard to break when you say things like, "You're the only person who makes me feel this way," or "I never imagined I could feel so connected to someone as I do with you." These types of phrases convey a sense of exclusivity and significance, making her realize that she holds a special place in your life, which is essential for building emotional intimacy. Before we continue, let me ask you, ever thought about sending just one text that could make a woman crave you, instantly imagine a message so powerful it takes over her mind, making her think about you non-stop? Even if she's currently with someone else or sees you as just a friend, these secret phrases trigger an obsession, leaving her excited and desperate to see you. But be warned, if you don't want her falling head over heels. Don't use these express desire, ready to have her hooked. Click the first link below to download these magnetic messages and watch her count down the minutes until your next date. There are moments when it's important to express desire in a subtle yet assertive way. Phrases that, being vulgar, are incredibly powerful. For example, saying, "I love how your body fits perfectly with mine," or "There's something about the way you look at me that leaves me completely speechless." These kinds of phrases set a captivating to tone. Without sounding inappropriate, they show that you desire, but in a respectful and elegant manner, enhancing emotional intimacy. Enhance emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy is the foundation of any successful relationship, and words play a crucial role in this. When you compliment a woman, especially for qualities beyond her looks, you directly boost her self-esteem. For instance, saying, "I admire so many things about you, especially the way you face challenges with courage or your authenticity, is something I truly admire. You never tried to be anyone else, and that's amazing." Not only makes her feel special, but also creates a safe space for her to be vulnerable with you. When a woman feels appreciated for who she truly is, she opens up emotionally, which strengthens the bond between you. Additionally, praises that highlight. Her unis are incredibly impactful. For example, "I've never met anyone like you before. There's something special about you that's hard to describe, but impossible to ignore." Create an engaging atmosphere. The sense of exclusivity makes her feel one of a kind, which is something every woman desires. Attraction isn't just about physical touch. It starts with words. Creating an engaging atmosphere involves suggesting intimacy and stirring her senses is even before any physical contact. Phrases like, "I love how you make me feel when we're together," or "Just thinking about you brightens my day," completely helps set the stage where she feels desired without any pressure or implied expectations. It's a perfect balance between attraction and respect. When combined with simple gestures like a smile or an attentive gaze, these words become even more impactful. Know the right moment. They show that you're not just interested in her, but fully captivated by her knowing. The right moment to say something is just as crucial as the words themselves. So some phrases are best used in moments of vulnerability, while others are perfect for creating a sense of anticipation or desire. For instance, if she's going through a tough time, you might say, "You're one of the strongest people I know. Even in the most challenging moments, you always find a way to keep going. That inspires me." These show support, understanding, and admiration, and when she feels that you're there for her emotionally, it deepens your connection even more. On the other hand, in lighter moments, you can use phrases that make her smile and show your genuine interest. For example, "You have no idea how much I love spending time with you. Every moment together feels better than the last." These kinds of phrases keep the connection lively and exciting. Now that you understand how to use words to spark desire, build emotional intimacy, and increase attraction, it's time to put this knowledge into action. It's not just about memorizing phrases, but truly understanding the impact they have and using them authentically. Words are powerful tools, but when paired with consistent actions, they can transform any relationship. So, which phrase will you use first? Today, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. This is see you in the next.